Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we have the YOLOBOX PRO portable multi-camera encoded streamer, switcher, monitor and recorder for a review. A video live streaming switcher is a box that allows to use different video plus audio sources and easier switch or combine them without some additional effects into an output video stream that can be transmitted live on a streaming platform like YouTube Live or Facebook Live. YOLOLIVE is the only one combining video switchers plus additional video sources plus screen plus autonomous based on battery plus live streaming in one single box. As such, it is a new unique proposal in the market. You can create a live stream production from anywhere with the ultra-portable YOLOBOX PRO from YOLOLIVE. The YOLOBOX PRO can simultaneously broadcast up to 3 video streams via Wi-Fi, RJ45 Ethernet or via 4G LTE. The YOLOBOX PRO features multiple updates from the original YOLOBOX, including HDCP compliance, both mic and line analog audio inputs, a USB output, 3 HDMI inputs, a Qualcomm 616 encoded processor, a high-capacity 10,000 mAh internal battery, and a larger 8 inches LCD touchscreen display with 400 CV brightness. The YOLOBOX PRO allows you to connect and live switch up to 6 video sources and connect to a local area network via Wi-Fi, Ethernet or LTE. You can have 3 HDMI connections coming into the unit and 3 SD card sources. The large 8 inches touchscreen display shows the streaming image, the input streams as well as the control interface, which allows you to switch between the info sources with a touch. It also features an HDMI output to display your stream locally on an optional HDMI display. It also has a line level audio input, a mic level audio input and a discrete headphone audio output. The YOLOBOX PRO supports input resolution ranging up to 1080p using the H.264 codecs, and you can stream resolution from 514p to 1080p to YouTube, Twitch and other streaming service via custom RTMP presets. Stream to the internet using a 4G cellular network. You can record your stream directly in MP4 format to an optional SD card with up to 128 GB capacity using the built-in SD card slot. Let's see the hardware ports of the YOLOBOX PRO. The YOLOBOX PRO have 3 HDMI inputs and all of those are standard HDMI. It goes up to 1080p to 16 fps, so you can get a high quality signal up into the unit. One USB port. You can plug a webcam into it so that it could act as a third camera source, or you could plug a keyboard and mouse into it. Ethernet port. If you're going to be doing an important live streaming, definitely use a wired Ethernet connection if possible. 4G SIM card port. You could plug a 4G SIM card into the unit and use it fully unheaded. Just use it cellular. So anything you use wireless or cellular, you really depend on the environment around you. HDMI out. It can serve 2 functions. Stream out the program output to use another system or use a keyboard and mouse. USB Type-C port. It works as an input port for a webcam or other type of USB connected audio or video device. One of them is just as an audio monitor. Next to that are 2 jacks that have a mic in and the line in. If you want to have your own mixer, use the line in. If you wanted to do something simple where you just had a mic, use the mic in. SD card port, that's where you will store different types of media you may want to integrate. A lot of ports in the YOLOBOX Pro, you have everything you need. After the ports, let's what the software of the YOLOBOX can do. At the software we have the Audio Mixer. It is a full sort of mixer that will let you control the audio levels for all of the connected devices to your system. Customizable scoreboard. When you live stream a sports game, use the scoreboard function and customize it simply by tapping the screen. Live command. You will get to see comments that come in from the streams and you can leverage those in the production. You get to control video transitions such as fade, cut, flip page, cross zoom, wipe and more. Flip video and slip view and side by side. With the function you can have two sources both appear on the screen and customize the size and place for them. Overlays. Brand your live stream by adding logos, watermarks, rolling captions. You can definitely use this from advertisers of sponsorships. Chroma key. It lets you quickly replace still image or video backgrounds behind your subject, allowing you to combine footage or swap out scenes. YOLOLIVE have released firmware update 1.6.0 for the YOLOBOX Pro. The firmware has all the stunning new features and improvements including web URL overlay, auto switching, USB webcam out, additional multi-view templates, SD card video playback, timing, scheduling a live stream within 1 year, option to adjust transmitters for countdown timer overlay. What I really love about YOLOBOX is that the setup in my production studio is complete with this. I don't have to concern myself with subscriptions fees that comes along such as other services. I create music and YouTube content on the fly, and to be able to have a device that I control the visuals without having to pay someone else for this type of processing or support makes my production go a lot more smoother. Another thing that I appreciate is the service support that comes along with the device. My time around the community has shown me that there is a lot of support and future updates being made with our direct insight considering as creators. The YOLOBOX Pro is one of the greater investments that has performed well for what I needed. It is as well in one tool for my social media broadcasting productions. Thank you for watching. If you liked today's video, hit the subscribe button to see videos like this. And if you have any questions, please let me know down at the comments. Bye!